This is the Prasaga Foundation non-production development test environment. These are the first two tools that are being released with the Saga chain running, development testnet running. We're going to cover the left side now, the user interface tool for submitting transactions. Previous segment, we just went over the Saga scan tool itself on the right. Allow me to blow this up. I'm going to go over the user interface briefly. Then we need to discuss some of the relevant details of what scripts are before it makes sense to run it. On the left side is the scripts. There you may load multiple scripts into this. On the right side are sets of parameters that can be used in the script. If you use a dollar in front of a variable name, it will show up as an entry field on the right over here. It's a relatively lightweight tool, so it can be fooled. It doesn't handle member, dot, and various syntaxes. Keep it relatively simple. String name, dollar in front of it, it'll work fine for you. The below will give you the history of the transaction if it executed, and once they've been executed and reached a consensus in any block on any shard, they will show up here. And you can open them and see the results. It'll also give you a little bit of information, the script name based on what you selected and whatever you created. Uh, the sequence number is specific to the user account, and we'll go over that in a minute. And the block and shard that it was created in. I would note that the current shard names are string names. In the future, they will be 32-byte hash names. For development purposes, it makes it a lot easier to use string names. The result for the current transaction is shown here, and when a transaction is submitted to the blockchain on any node, you get an immediate success, which just says that it was able to read the framework of the transaction. I'll explain a little detail in a minute, but it doesn't mean that it actually was included in a block yet. You don't know it's included into a block until it's down. You find it in this list and that it has turned green. To show an example of it, I'm just going to do a new account, which new account is a separate script, not up here, it's built in. Sorry. Here you go. And as you can see, it is gray at the moment. And if we wait for 15, 20 seconds, it will make it into a block. Also, while we're doing that, it will actually show up in the latest transaction list as well. And here it is here as 5SK something or other. And here you'll see it also here as 5SK. And like that. And you can open it up and see the result of it.